we all have families. Some small families, some big families, some extended families. So all these family members do not always live together. Some live close by with us, while some live far away, like our cousins.
So it is the same case with the solar family too.
While Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars live closer to the Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune live far away. And that's why Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are called inner planets. There is another unique thing about all these 4 planets that is also common between them. That is, they are made of rocks. That is why these 4 planets are called terrestrial planets of our solar system. That is, they are rocky planets. That is, they are made of rocks. So now let's one by one know each of them closely. But before we know any one of them, let's discuss our planet Earth, which is our home. Our planet Earth is third in line and a very unique one. But why is it unique? Because it supports life. You know, all the plants and animals and human beings, they live only on planet Earth and not in any other planet on the solar system. But why is it so unique? Why no other planet supports life but Earth does? That's because Earth has air and water. Air and water are 2 of the most important things for any living being to survive. And what about planet Earth? Earth's surface is covered 70% with water. And that is why when you see it from the outer space, it looks blue in color. And it is called the blue planet. So now let me tell you about another important thing about Earth. Earth has only one moon, which we see at night. So our planet Earth has one moon and it's blue in color. That is why it's called the blue planet. So now that we know about Earth, let's know the other 3 terrestrial planets of the solar system. So the first is Mercury, which is the closest to the Sun. Mercury is also the innermost planet of the solar system. It is the closest to the Sun and it has a rocky body. Also, Mercury is the smallest in the solar system. Every other planet is bigger than Mercury. Mercury is closest to the Sun, and that is why in the daytime it becomes very hot. At night, it becomes very cold too. That is the reason why it cannot support any life on it. Also, Mercury does not have any moon. It is just alone, not like Earth. So, we know about Mercury. Next, let's know about Venus. So, Venus is a planet which is called the twin planet along with Earth because it looks very similar to Earth in shape, size and weight. Also, Venus is the second planet in the solar system and it is named Venus after the Roman goddess Venus, which is the goddess of love and beauty. Now, Venus also rotates just like Earth, but in the opposite direction. That is, the Earth rotates from west to east and Venus rotates from east to west. That is one unique thing about Venus. Also, Venus has no moons and no rings. Venus has another unique quality. Venus is called the morning star because it shines brightly just when the sun is about to come out. That is, just before sunrise, Venus is seen in the night sky shining very brightly. Also, Venus is also called the evening star. That's because just when sun sets and other stars come out, before that, Venus again shines very brightly. And that's why it's also called the evening star. So now we know about Venus, the morning star and evening star. Now let's know the fourth planet in the solar system, Mars. So Mars is fourth in line from the Sun, and it is just after Earth. It is just after Earth. Mars also has a rocky body, just like the other three planets, and also it's red in color. And that's why it's called the angry young man of the family, because its face is always red, isn't it? Also, Mars has two moons. Just like our Earth has one moon, Mars has two moons. Their names are Phobos and Deimos. So this was about Mars. So these are the four inner planets of the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Venus and Earth are twin planets, while Mars is the red planet, while Mercury is the smallest of them. And all the four are the innermost and terrestrial planets of the solar system.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.